Hello guys, so I got my first order from Fiverr. I'll show you on the screen. Just check somewhere on the screen. This is my first order. Like literally, I knew that Fiverr works, but I didn't believe that it was going to be this too soon. I created the account, left it like maybe 2 weeks or something, but I did all that they told me to do. Record a video, like show them what you're actually going to do, and also post some on your status. Like I knew I was new to the app, so maybe probably I'm not going to get sales or not going to get an order at all. But if you actually have good designs, like I am a graphic designer, so I am showing people that I can design church flyers, and that is the only advert that I have done over there. I could have done maybe a funeral brochure, which I really do, and I really like doing them because I also sell the template. And once I started creating this YouTube thing, YouTube have never made me so much money than selling templates. Like selling templates could actually makes you a lot of money, but I was selling the template in Ghana cedis, which I have relocated, and the currency is no more, like the amount of money that I got there cannot really satisfy me. But when I was in Ghana, I could easily make like 2,000 to 3,000 Ghana cedis, which if you are in Ghana and you earn 2,000, 3,000 on the side for free without you doing anything, that is a really good money. So now that I am in UK and I am not like earning that much, like let's say if you get 2,000 and you convert here like £100, it's not going to do much for you. Maybe if I can get £1,000 here, £1,000, so that £1,000 like 15,000 to 20,000 in Ghana cedis, that is also not something that is even possible, especially the product or the digital product that I was selling was for Ghanaians and Nigerians, like Africans. So now I am really not paying attention to that product. Order is there, we make sales day in day out, but it's not like how I used to make adverts for it day in day out to get client and for them to order from me. Right now I'm trying to build something that can make me like £10,000, and I haven't find any of them. Like making money online is so real that if you put in the effort, you are actually going to make money. If you put in the effort, but if you don't put in the effort, you are not going to. Since I created this um Fiverr account, I was not really paying attention to it. But recently I said, let me do one or two advert. Like when I create content to TikTok, I will do a small advert on it. But maybe this person who found me on Fiverr, like actually just watch my profile and how I deliver everything, maybe. But making money online is so real that I am a testimony of that. I have been making money online, just that the money is not enough right now for me, and I want to scale it up. And recently, I started by subscribing to one of these apps. I'm not going to mention it to you, but so that you guys will notice, like you guys will find out what I'm doing. And I'm using it to improve my number of views, because the number of views I get on YouTube is not the kind of numbers that I want. I really want a high number so that I can really make actual money. And I think since I subscribed to the app, I am paying. So like it forced me to, get the money back. And it's not that the app is doing the magic, but the payment that I did is like forcing me, because I am that person that is not, too much consistent on what I post. Like let's say I want to do this, I want to do this. I just I just don't focus that much on it. But right now, since I made a payment, it's really keeping me focused. And I tell you guys, if you know anyone online, maybe selling something, maybe a course, maybe selling a digital product, selling ebooks, selling something that you know is going to benefit you, to create something that you can also sell and make money, I will advise you to buy. Because not that the payment that you make actually create a room, like a room that, bro, if I don't make the money, I'm losing. But not knowing that going to YouTube, TikTok, to consume videos day in, day out is not actually making us, like we think we are not spending money on that, but we are actually spending money on that. We are spending our time, we are selling our time, which the same time that we are spending on watching the videos, we could have used those same time, to make real money on maybe YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, all the social media apps. So if you are out there and you want to start making money from these apps or from online, you want to gain financial freedom, I will entreat you to follow this page, okay? And also I will entreat you that you continue to learn and learn something, like learn to solve someone's problem. If you could be like a motivational message like that I am giving right now, you could do it properly. You could do it the best way to grab people's attention, okay? Like look at all those people that we see around that are rich, especially you can see those who are in the forest trading. Recently I wanted to buy a course on forest trading, but forest trading is something that if you buy the course, you are still going to invest your money in it. And I switched my idea that no, I'm not going to buy the course now because I don't have the money. Because if you buy the course, I will still need some like 1,000 to 2,000 pounds to invest in it. Okay. And all the money that I had was the only money I had to buy the course. And when I finished buying the course, I was not going to get any money to invest in the product that I want to benefit from it. I think it's not a scam, but all those people doing it are also they also have, let's say, VIP. Like they have courses that they are selling. They have people that they train and they charge them some money. And all this money that they charge these people, that money goes into their bank account. And let's say if they don't even make any money from their trading, which I think they do make money from it, but the actual way to make money is not like the particular way, like the particular thing that you are doing, like the trading is there that they make real money. Sometimes they lose too, but the actual way that they make their money is what, let's say, brand deals. Like Kwejo Forest, he has this brand deal with Xnex, like something something, and also has the YouTube channel, has his social media. So he is what, making money from those places, which maybe you might not think of. When you bring people on the channel, stay there to watch you, YouTube is actually going to pay you a good amount of money. So if you are out there and you want to start making money for yourself, I would advise you that you start right now. Just start. Don't hesitate, just start. And if you start, I bet you that you are going to start making something. Right now I'm developing a course or something. I'm not going to you know delete, like I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing, but later on I'm going to do the announcement, which I believe you guys are going to be interested, so that all of us are going to all of us are going to benefit, or all of us are going to gain the financial freedom that we all hope to get. So, not making this YouTube video long, I am actually working on the design that I am going to submit to the client. I'm going to show you the design, and let's say if I submit to the client and the client is satisfied and everything, maybe I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. So if you want to see this video, and if you want to see the part 2 of the video, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to try and do that for you guys. Okay, so making money online is not a scam. It is true, and that is the best way that can make you financial. Like making videos, like bringing yourself out there online is actually creating a brand for you. And when you create a brand for yourself, one thing that you should notice is that you should not fake anything. If maybe you said you are going to do this and you couldn't do, just let them know. Or if you take somebody money that maybe I'm going to teach you how to make money or how to do this, and you couldn't deliver because of one or two circumstances, just return their money, because those people are going to tag you that you are scam, you are this, maybe which you may not, in quotes, but maybe you might be. So if you want to stay in the game and be relevant forever, because when people purchase something for you and it is that good, they are going to recommend other people to your channel to come back and what, buy from you again, and they are going to also come back and buy something from you again if you are going to sell something in the near future. So scamming people is always going to hunt you. They are never going to do business with you again, and that is not the idea of who you should be. So this is the little advice that I have for everyone there. So let me show you the design that I'm doing, and maybe also show you the the design, and also maybe the screen of the communication between me and the client. So that is for this video. If you want to see part 2 of this video, let me know in the comment section. And guys, I'm just going to peace out.